Boy. No, not like that one. I don't really stand that one too much. I want to go the texture. Shitty. Come over to this one, this pattern. All the same. Which one is the front? Only who has. Okay, bye.
Oh, this same thing.
I need to go buy this and find myself in an electric store. You know when you go to the market and say, let you just buy one thing. It's not just what you buy. We bought okra. If you're Igbo, you know what okra is. I'll show you guys when I finish cooking it. I bought orange, small orange, because these ones are not budgeted. The thing that I bought is this Crocs I got for my children. They are Crocs, and I said I'll need to buy, and this is original Crocs. Original Crocs, very beautiful. So that's this for my son. I know it's not his size, but he's going to wear it to reach his size. Then this one is for my daughter. I'll be going back there. This one is for my daughter. Then I bought these things are just unplanned. This market was just to go and buy material, lace that we're going to use for something later in the year. So stay tuned to know what we are doing, okay? And what else did I buy? Okay. Then the lace. I can't just. This is the lace. This is the lace. Okay. Then what's this one? Okay, this one is for my husband's Itibo. Okay, in the reverse. If you're in River State, sorry, I'm on the road. This is it. Stored for their Itibo. I think for my husband's brother, and his in-law. So just stay tuned to the channel. You see, that's why you need to subscribe. Where are you going to? Please subscribe to Chika Oputa's channel to grow on the streets of YouTube. Then this one is okay. Then the 80-ball material. I don't know whether you guys can see. Just on the road. Then the trouser material that we got for my son. So that's basically that for that. And let's just while we wait for my husband to come back. In this life, just learn to be contented with what you have. No matter how little or how big, what you have is contented with what you have. It's never enough. You see your own, you know, you go to trick eye for another person. That's what leads to jealousy. That's what leads to envy, being envious about somebody because of your heart. Not the envy people, because you don't know what they do to get to that extent. You should also be okay. Be contented. What I have is greater. Always be contented. Don't look at what your neighbor has. Only aspire to be what your neighbor is. See it as an inspiration. Let it motivate you to get to a greater height, if you get what I mean. So stay tuned to this vlog. This is a new vlog. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is your girl Chika Oputa as always, and I'm on the sun. I'm outside. I'm just see what I'm trying to do. Any little opportunity, try to get content for you guys. So what are you waiting for that you've not subscribed? Because just that red thing there, click on it and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. I have interesting things going to come up on this channel, so do you want to miss it? Do you want to miss it? I'm going to teach you guys how to make that cabbage sauce, like I said. So please don't want to make that sauce. When you make it, follow this recipe. You make it, just come back and tell me how it was. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. As always, I will see you guys in whenever I pick up this vlog again. We use chicken stock to mix it. want the you want the everything together. Oh, come. This is small. Inside, pour it inside. Pour it inside the mama. Small. Raise it up. Good girl. It's okay. Put the mama inside, please. Bring spoons and put the mama inside, please.
What's how granola what you look like?
Yes, I know that we'll put chicken stock inside.
That's right.
And bring the kettle. There's water inside the kettle.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Go say,
What do you put inside the soup?
I put all the ingredients I'm supposed to put. So what are you eating? Moi. Okay. Can you make moi by yourself?
Yes.
Interesting. Having it with chicken. Oh boy. Just look at. I don't understand that Nambra people style.
2,000 years later.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your girl Chika Oputa, a YouTuber based in Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Just in case you're new to this space, okay. Hey guys, I don't. Which part is your favorite part in this vlog? Is it the part I went to market, or the stuff that I bought, or from teaching my daughter how to cook? That girl is making me proud. Like, this is a proud mother moment. I thank God for that girl's life. She's always eager to learn. She's always saying, "Here, mommy, I want to be in the kitchen. Mommy, let me help you." Oh, that one, they melt my heart. They bust my brain. That means my prayers are working. So I'm here to end the vlog, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for watching my shorts, from subscribing. I don't take it for granted. Even if it's 2, 1, 3, the growth, the genuine love for even clicking that subscribe button means a whole lot to me. So don't forget doing the good thing. Don't just sleep on it. Keep liking, keep subscribing, and comment whichever parts of the video you find interesting. And groom your child. Don't what I want to say, don't say, hey, these people, they are too small or they are too big. It's never too late. They learn in school from 2 years, so why won't they learn? My daughter knows the ingredients to use to season meat. If you tell her, bring out everything you use to season meat. To cook, that moi yesterday, as you can see, I was cooking okwa and moi at the same time. I was also frying the chicken. We used to eat the okwa. I brought up palm oil. My daughter was like, Mommy, don't put palm oil in the moi, and I told her, okay, no, it's not inside the moi. It's for the okwa. That's the breadfruit. So you can imagine at that point in time, I was like, wow, this is unimaginable. So please don't underrate these kids. They know more than you think they know. Do you understand? If you know what I mean. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And you know now, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, okay? Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, bye.